Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get mossberries in Hollow Knight Silksong. So it is pretty simple and easy to get. Just from the start, go and jump right here. You can ignore those enemies, but if you need shell cards, you can farm those. But right now, I'm going to show you how you can get mossberries. So jump on these slabs right here. As you can see, you can ignore this one. You will need to fight those littles because they are getting your way, as you can see. Like this. And now just go right here up, and you will need to fight this little guy. As you can see. Now I will revive my health, and let's go up here. And here you'll be able to see mossberry, and this is the mossberry location. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.